Stanley Park Brewing from Vancouver. This is their Windstorm West Coast Pale Ale. Now, I'm going to make an assumption that the Windstorm is referring to that time we were flying into Canada.
Good.
And there were crazy windstorms and all these old trees and shit were blowing down. And my lovely wife even managed to get travel sick because of the turbulence. Thankfully, I was really drunk.
That was 20 years ago.
That was 20 years ago, but it was a big windstorm, so it could be the one they're talking about. Anyway, 5.4%. I want to say 2nd of July canned on, so it should be reasonably fresh. There's tropical and citrus on the nose, on the notes. Smells a bit oxidized.
It's gonna be good.
Tropical, citrus, bready malt character. A bit oxidized, so I'm not sure whether being inland the beers get transported warm and then aren't quite treated as well as they probably should be, but medium high carbonation, medium high bitterness. Not really a West Coast at 5.4%. Lacks a little bit of that caramel and toffee. Oh, the bitterness lingers a bit longer into the aftertaste there, so I'd see why they're calling it West Coast, but I'd like to see it a bit higher in alcohol and a bit fresher hops.